Location, luxury, comfort. One of the finest and best neighborhood of Glendale in Northwest Glendale, right below Cumberland. The place that everyone wants to live. Welcome to 1558 Hillcrest Avenue. Step to this stunning chef kitchen when the everyday functionality meets the modern design. Thoughtfully remodeled with open concept layout that truly flows. Spacious kitchen that anchors the home. 4-bedroom, 3-bathroom, a beautifully manicured backyard. Ideal for entertaining, family gathering, or simply slowing down at the end of the day. If this home feels like a place that you'll be waiting for, reach out to me. I would love to show it to you. And always, if you want more, you gotta get it.